Well, hi there, everyone. Maybe you have a business in California, and maybe you would like to know the easiest way to do your own payroll with a Microsoft Excel file that I've built for doing payroll in all 50 states, including California. And you've purchased a subscription and you're interested in figuring out how to turn this big, massive 50-state file into just a file for your business for California. You found the right video if that's what you're looking to do. So, first of all, this is just the best payroll Excel file ever made. It's only $100 for a lifetime subscription, and you'll see why. So you can download this if you've purchased, and if you need to set it up for just California, well, we have this state toggling area right here where you can choose whichever state you're working with. And we're going to assume that you're just in California. You're not in Arkansas, you're in California. And all of your employees are going to be in California. So you can just put them all there. As you enter in your employee information into this file, there's a couple questions that you end up answering. They're about the form EDD, the DE4 form. And you have to answer these questions about filing status and also about a number of regular allowances and additional allowances, allowances from Worksheet B. Those questions show up right here when you choose California. There are different questions right here depending on whichever state you're working in. But because we're working in California, you just choose California and you get those questions about regular allowances and any additional allowances you would put here. Now here's the fun part where you get to make this file smaller and easier for your business. When you're only in California, you do not have to worry about local tax that I am aware of. I'm not aware of any other local taxes in California. When I say local tax, I mean with a city or a township. So you can hide all this. You don't have to care about this AZ4 thing. You don't care about this CT. You don't care about this New York. You get to hide all of this. You don't delete. Do not hit the delete button. You need to hit hide. Hiding is okay. Deleting is bad. Deleting will break things, but hiding's fine. So after you do that, it's going to ask you what your state filing status is for California, which is going to affect your rate. You need to fill it in. It's red, which means it needs to be filled in. See, before we apply these future employees to California, it's not red, but it's red. It's telling you need to do something. Same thing with your federal W-4 questions if you had the employee fill out a 2020 W-4 or later. And the rest of the stuff is, related to specific businesses. I'm not really going to get into it right now. Also, you also don't care about anything other than your California unemployment is the only one that you care about here. So you could hide the rest of these. You could actually delete those, but don't delete them. Just hide them. And you also have information about where you can find your forms that you need and filing and looking up payroll tax, things that have been put out by California. Those links are right here in this links cell. You can put your unemployment rate right there. And you've set up your employee sheet. Then you have daily hours. Then you have your other pay period hours and everything else you need for your checks, which I've talked about in other videos. You can hide these things as needed. These are just all the formulas that you could possibly need for anything. You don't need any of them. The areas that are in light blue are for data entry. And then you've got everything you need. You've got all your reporting. You've got your Form 941 report here. You've got the state report. You choose your California state right here, and you choose your quarter or the year, and you're going to get the report with your state disability tax, California withholding tax, and you also have your pay stubs as well. And you can hide or even delete actually off the pay stubs things that you never use. Like you're in Oregon here, you could just you're not in Oregon, you're in California, you can just hide this. You don't have to worry about it. Or just delete it. There's no employees workers' comp in California that needs to be covered? No. Is there paid family medical leave? Not that I know of yet, so you can hide that as well. And you can be left with the pay stub of your dreams right here. And then you've got W-2s, gives you the subtotals for everything you need for the W-2s at the end of the year. And if you have a different pay period that isn't weekly, we're doing an example with a weekly pay period, I will be doing another video explaining how to change your pay periods and your paycheck dates as well. But it's pretty easy to turn this otherwise complicated big 50-state file into one that's just for California, just like this. All right? So good luck, everyone. I'll be doing a video about every single state and how they do their taxes. as we go into 2022 and everything gets updated. But that's just kind of an example of how quickly this template file can essentially be turned into something that you need for your business. All right, good luck. Payroll should be easy, so make it so.